You see? Just like that. You just put it right on top. Cut About to replace my battery. I got the yellow top battery, and my old one, that shit's trash. The difference between the yellow top battery and regular batteries is the yellow top, it holds a lot of load. So you can have your AC on, your radio on, system blowing, your neon lights on, fog light, headlight, all that shit, and that shit will die. It's like regular batteries. So you can turn off the car, listen to your music, all that shit, everything on, and shit will charge up so fast, it will start 1, 2, 3. So I'm gonna go change that. Easy peasy. Yeah, all you need is basic tools. You just need your 10s. Sometimes some other cars they have 13s, 12s. My car is a 10, so I'm gonna use the 10. Drill. It had the bracket on top of it. You know what I'm talking about. And it's a red top too. It's a red top. But that's for like, you know, cranking all that shit, and it will crank easy. That's the difference between the yellow and the red one. The yellow one's for like performance, like radios, like if you have like systems and all that shit. So you get the yellow top. Let's start the shit. Okay, first things first. You gotta take this off your G37. If you have a G37, you gotta take this cover off to get to your battery. And you gotta take this off, this whole thing off, to get to the battery. So you need a flathead to get these clips out. You see these clips right here? There's one there. It's supposed to be something here, but mine's not there. There's one back here, right there, and it should be one right here. So take those off and pull it off. And put it to the side, don't lose it. Now you have to remove this too. Right here, you gotta take that off. You take this rubber piece, don't peel it all the way off, but just the one you have to take off. Take it off. Take it off. Like push to the side. It ends like right here. There's a splitter. Okay. So you pull this out like this. You just pull on it, and it should come out easy. Put to the side. Now, me, I have a something holding this right here to hold the battery down still, so it don't move. So you see my battery? That shit's about to go. You see, it was about that time. Look, corrosion, it's wet, the battery leaking, mad corrosion, leaves, dead bugs, dead spiders, all that shit. But now let's remove these 10s, 2 10s with my drill. That's drill. Now take this off, just like that. Don't lose the top piece, you need that. Remove that. Okay, now soon you remove the thing that's holding it down. Now there's 10s on the battery right here. Take this right here, there's 2 10s. So you can use a wrench, or you can use this if it fits. Socket 10, but I'll use this because it's easier. So let's remove the negative first, then take off the positive. You scared? Just, you know, loosen it like so. Okay, this thing acting stupid, so I'm gonna use this now. But my wrench is acting up. Oh, all right, this is acting stupid too. So I'm gonna use the deep 10 because these ain't working. Move that, loosen it. Not that much, just, you know, a little bit, so you can wiggle it off. See, wiggle it off, just like that. And positive next. So the positive one, I'm gonna use a wrench to do that one. Do like this. Okay, now take this off like that. Put it to the side. You can remove this grommet right here. I mean, you could lift this up with the grommet so you can have more space. Put it to the side. Back it up or whatever. Now let's pull out the battery. And don't get me wrong, these batteries are good from AutoZone. Duralast Gold, there's some good batteries, but at times this shit, you know, start leaking and shit. By the time, you know, it could last you a minute, but I'd rather this one. This is way better. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about getting stuck on the road. This thing charges fast, man. Cranks fast, charge fast. You know what I'm saying? So it's up to you, man. You could pick a gold one from AutoZone, a little cheaper than this one. And yeah, it's your choice. So let's put that on. Let me show you how I put it. You're gonna take this on top and put the battery right on top of it. So let's do that. You see? Just like that. You just put it right on top. Because if you just put it, just this battery by itself, it's going to be too low. So this is going to raise it. So you can put the, you know, the terminals back on. Now, let's slap the battery in the car and plug everything back. Okay, once you put it in, make sure you remove these off the top of the terminals. There's one there, and there's a negative one. Take those off. Throw those out. Now, let's put the battery first. Let's put the positive terminal first. Some people use these cushion things to just put on top of it and whatever. Like that. You could do that if you want. But me, I'm not gonna do that. Now, let's don't forget this grommet that you took off. If you took it off, push down and connect the battery. So you're gonna hit it down a little bit so it go down good. Make sure it doesn't move much. Let's tighten it now. Okay. Okay. Make sure there's no play. Absolutely no little tiny, not even nothing. Nothing. Just like that. All right, should be good. Now let's put the negative. No, don't be scared. Just put it on there. It's not gonna blow up on your face. So let's put it in there. Just like that. Okay. Make sure it is all the way down. So hit it a little with it. Hit it down a little. Okay, should be good. Now let's tighten it. The battery, tighten that shit. Okay, you are good. Make sure there's no play. Now let's put the bracket that was on here back on. I'm gonna need two hands, so same way you took it off, you put it back on there. Okay, soon you do that, you can tighten it down. Make sure it don't pop out its place. Tighten it good. Yeah. Okay. Alright, it should be good. Put that shit down. Now let's put the cover back on. Those two, you know, one for the windshield and one for the battery. Let's put the windshield one first. Slip it in there. Make sure when you put this on, you put it on good, just like the other side. Take a look at the other side. You see how it's flush over there? Gotta be the same way on this side. Okay, now let's do that. Okay, we should push it on there. Okay, make sure it clips on there. Now let's put the rubber piece. Shit, piece back on there. Okay. Once you do that, make sure you check over here is good. Put it in like that. Tuck it in. All right. Put your clip piece back over here. Okay. Now let's put the top for the battery back on. Just like that. Okay. See, the rest of mine I dropped, so I'm gonna get new ones and put on there. So I'm gonna just put the inside first, and I'm gonna put the rest later. Okay, make sure you have this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5. Okay, now let's put the top back on. Bam, that's it. Okay, once you tighten everything up, you should be good. It should last you a minute. So if you want to buy it, go to AutoZone, Vans. I think Pep Boys got it. If you want to check it out. And yeah, should be good. So if I helped you out, you already know. Give me a like, thumbs up, hit me on Instagram, Juice Mechanics, and don't forget to subscribe, man. I got more coming for this car later.